If your Chevy Colorado never listens to your voice commands, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break down some common reasons and how to fix them. First, check if your phone is connected to the truck. Most voice commands need a strong Bluetooth link. If your phone isn't paired right, the system can't hear you. Next, make sure your software is up to date. Both your phone and the Colorado system need the latest updates to work well together. Out-of-date software can cause glitches. Another issue? Background noise. If your windows are down or music's up, the microphone might not catch your voice clearly. Try speaking when it's quiet inside. Don't forget to check your microphone. Sometimes dust or debris can block it, or it might be faulty. If people can't hear you on calls, the mic could be the problem. Also, make sure you're using the correct voice commands. Stick to simple phrases that the Chevy system understands. Complicated or slang words often confuse it. Still having trouble? A simple restart might help. Turn off your truck, wait a moment, then start again. If nothing works, it might be time to visit your dealer. Sometimes, the issue needs a pro to fix it. So, next time your Chevy Colorado won't listen, check these steps first. You might get your voice commands working again in no time.